One of mankind's greatest challenges is the ability to exercise patience. This is made worse for the believers who anxiously await the fulfillment of prophecy, who are expecting, anticipating, or hoping that they will witness the fulfillment in the flesh. Many believers also struggle against losing enthusiasm while they await the fulfillment. Another challenge is overcoming the doubters and the derisions of non-believers. One may ask, why this struggle? Is it because we need evidence to satisfy our own unspoken doubts within? Or because we need something with which to show those doubters? Perhaps it is both. In this respect, many believers can be compared to children who constantly ask during a long journey, are we there yet? Some children, after exhaustion from anticipation, soon fall asleep, expecting to be woken up when they finally get there. Only a few children recognize that the journey is also part of a trip, during which they get to observe and learn much from the passing scenes. The road to fulfillment of prophecy is also a long journey that is full of changing sceneries and experiences. Each scene contains many learning opportunities to prepare us for when we finally reach the destination, that is, the fulfillment. If we are too focused on wondering when the fulfillment will occur, we become like the children who are asking, are we there yet? And not learning from the passing scenes. Worse is when we get tired of waiting and no longer pay attention or no longer believe in prophecy. We then become like those children who tire and go to sleep. Except that in this case, the sleepers will not be woken when earth arrives at the destination. In other words, when the fulfillment takes place. We should remember the parable of the 10 virgins in the Bible. Matthew 25, verse 1 to 13. This is a story about 10 virgins who are awaiting a bridegroom's arrival. 5 of them were well prepared, and they awaited the bridegroom with their jar of oil. 5 other virgins were not prepared, and not having their jar of oil, left to go get some. The bridegroom arrived when the negligent 5 had left, and the 5 prepared virgins were accepted. Those who were not prepared and had gone to find oil for their jar were excluded. What are the lessons from this parable? 1. It is our duty and responsibility to keep the flame alive in us while awaiting the fulfillment that will come in its own time according to the will of the Creator. 2. We must first prepare ourselves inwardly and remain always prepared while we wait. 3. We cannot afford to wait until the fulfillment or near to the fulfillment of prophecy to then expect to be changed. In other words, we must come to the fulfillment changed and not to be changed.